Hi, I'm Michael Hageley, Principal of the Early College Opportunities High School, also known as ECO. With a foundation of career and technology readiness, ECO strives to create strong leaders, entrepreneurs, and artisans through engaging and innovative hands-on educational opportunities. Students are encouraged to find their passions, and teachers are encouraged to shape the curriculum and teaching methods to fit student needs and interests. At ECO, our students achieve through motivation, and motivation is created through personalization. All students receive an academically rigorous college prep core program in English language arts, math, social studies, and science, while offering courses in welding and fabrication, auto tech, auto collision, the construction sciences, sustainable technologies, and architectural design as students work toward industry-recognized certification. Additionally, through innovative partnerships with organizations like the Santa Fe Opera, students apply math and science skills in real-world settings. Students also have the opportunity to attend classes on the Santa Fe Community College campus as they begin their pursuit of four-year degrees tuition-free. At ECO, we have developed our career pathways by leveraging partnerships with the business community in a way that offers our students opportunities to earn certifications and a direct line to a career based on the interests of each student. ECO students can choose to earn industry-recognized certifications and upon graduation gain automatic entry into an apprenticeship or a career where they have the potential to earn substantially more than the average salary of a college graduate. ECO students can also choose to begin pursuing a bachelor's degree tuition-free while they are attending the Early College Opportunities High School. By offering our students choices like these, we are creating a personalized high school experience for each student. In short, at ECO, we are preparing students for life by blurring the lines between high school, college, and career. If you are interested in free college credit, academically rigorous hands-on learning, and a chance to get a head start in a career, four-year college degree, or path to an entrepreneurial opportunity, go to eco.sfps.info or call 467-2701 for more information about the Early College Opportunities High School.